Hi, boys and girls. We're switching from multiples of 10 to two-digit times two-digit numbers, and we're going to use 4 partial products. So let's begin. And they're showing you with the area model so that to get you started. So in each of the 2 models pictured, write the expressions that determine the area of each of the 4 smaller triangles. So these are the exact same models. This shows you how you can count. 3 times 10 is 30. 3 times 10 is 30, and you can count 30. So this is 13 times 12. 10 times 10, this is a 100. So 10 times 10 is 100. 3 times 2, that's 6. 3 times 2 is 6. And 10 times 2 is 20. And using the distributive property, we can say it's 13 times 12. So first we do the tens place. 3 times 10, 3 times 2. And then we do the tens place. 10 times 10, 10 times 2. Okay. So 17 times 34. So 17, 10 and 7 times 34, 34. So 7 times 30, 7 times 3 is 21, so 210. 10 times 30 is 300. 7 times 4 is 28, and 10 times 4 is 40. So it's the same thing over here. 7 times 4 is 28. 7 times 30 is 210. 10 times 4 is 40. 10 times 3 is 300. And then when you add them all up, you get 578. And again, I'm going kind of quickly because you should know your facts by now. So that's really what's making it quick. And again, you should write your multiples in the margins to help you. So this is 45, 45 times 18, 10 and 8. So 5 times 10 is 50. 5 times 8 is 40. 40 times 10 is 400. 40 times 8 is 320 because 8 times 4 is 32. So we come over here. 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 10 is 50. 40 times 8 is 320, and 40 times 10 is 400. When you add it all up, you get 810. Oops, let me make this a little bigger. 45 times 19. 5 times 10 is 50. 5 times 9 is 45. 40 times 10 is 400. 40 times 9 is 360. We come over here. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 10 is 50. 40 times 9 is 360. 40 times 10 is 400. And when we add it all together, we get 855. So this is without the area model, just using partial products. And it says you may sketch an area model if it helps. So that is up to you. So we start in the tens place. 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 40 is 80. Tens place. 10 times 7 is 70. 10 times 4 is 400. You add it all up and you get 564. 23 times 93. Start in the ones place. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 90 is 270. 20 times 3 is 60. 20 times 90 is 1,800. Add them together and you get 2,139. 23 times 11. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 10 is 30. 20 times 1 is 20. 20 times 10 is 200. You add those up and you get 253. 23 times 22. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 20 is 60. 20 times 2 is 40. And 20 times 20 is 400. Add them together and you get 506. So this partial products is a strategy that we will use again in future math homeworks. And again, you do need to know your facts and how to multiply by tens to be able to do this. So as we say, like every day when we do our problem set and our concept development, everything builds and you have to own each piece so that you can grow and do more difficult problems. And we know you can do this. And you can use the strategies of writing your multiples to help you. Okay? So I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.